Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most recent and most relevant drone related news. We're back here once again guys with a brand new video and with some breaking news for all of you, and that is because the GoPro Hero 10 has been leaked and we have the official images for all of you. We're going to be sharing them with you here in today's video, and in addition to that we're going to be talking about when is it that the new Hero 10 is going to be released. Today's video is going to be one which you are not going to want to miss out on. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we will always be the first one to bring in the most recent and most relevant news no matter what. And also we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you're watching today's video and you're not subscribed to the channel yet, well, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family so you can help us get to that goal, which we're really not that far away from guys anymore. So with that being said, why don't we just go ahead and dive right into this video, which is going to be a quite exciting one. So for the past few months there's been a lot of talk and rumors going around regarding the Hero 10, if it's going to be having an improved sensor, if it's going to be completely redesigned, if it's going to be GoPro's best camera ever, because it's going to be the 10th anniversary of the GoPro. So there was a lot of talk going on, but we have finally received the official images for the Hero 10 guys. That is right, thanks to our good friend Roland Quent on Twitter. He was the first one to share these images here with all of us. So without any much further ado guys, why don't we just go ahead and take a look at what this new GoPro Hero 10 is going to be looking like right here on the screen guys. So there it is guys, there is the long awaited GoPro Hero 10. At a first glance, let me tell you that I am very disappointed to see what a GoPro has done with this camera. We were all expecting great things. We were all expecting to see a edge-to-edge display, a bigger sensor, interchangeable lenses. I mean, we were expecting to see something completely redesigned. But what we have right here is pretty much a Hero 10 with a couple internal tweaks, obviously a better processor and just some blue accents, which looked nice. But I mean, it's a pretty much thing. It's pretty much the same thing. I mean, we've known that GoPro has been using this same case. We've known that that is a working formula. It's been working for them great, and it looked like they were not willing to make a completely new thing for the Hero 10. What can I tell you? That is the Hero 10 guys. What do you think? Are you also disappointed? Is this enough for you? Were you hoping for more? Well, what can I tell you? I'm definitely a bit disappointed on this new Hero 10, but I do love those blue accents. I think they look great. Let's go ahead and take a look at the previous Hero 9 so that we can compare and see why we're actually saying that this looks pretty much identical right here on screen guys. So this is more of this is really not a renovation. This is just a tweaked Hero 9 with some obviously improved frame rates, better processor, and a couple extra things here and there. In our next video we're going to be talking about the official specs that this new GoPro Hero 10 is going to be having, so you make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications for that video, as it's going to be going live here in the channel in the next few days, so stay tuned for that. But what we have right here guys is the Hero 10 and we can see that it's pretty much identical to the Hero 9. I think it looks good, it doesn't look bad, but I was definitely expecting a bit more for GoPro, especially because this was the 10th anniversary. That is why I'm disappointed. I was expecting great stuff for this Hero 10 because of its anniversary, but no, it looks like GoPro decided to stay a bit more conservative. I think it's okay. I think it's gonna work for them. I don't think this is going to be a failure. I think this camera is going to be selling great. Now I wanna go ahead and talk about release date because it is right around the corner. Now, in order to tell you guys when the release date for the GoPro Hero 10 is going to be, we need to go ahead and go back in history and talk and analyze previous Hero camera release dates. So, for the past 10 years, basically, GoPro has been releasing their new cameras between September and October of every single year. Now, the Hero 9 was released back in September last year. September 16th was when the Hero 9 was released. Now, the fact that the Hero 10 has been leaked at the end of August, that means that the release is right around the corner. Now, the Hero 8 was released back in October, the 15th of October of 2019. So I think something conservative will be mid-September to late September for the release of the Hero 10, but with the fact that it has already been leaked, I am definitely expecting to see this new Hero 10 in the first 2 weeks of September. So I'm pretty sure this is right around the corner. The Hero 10 is coming, and it's coming soon, guys. Now we still don't have a word on pricing. We still don't know how expensive it's going to be, but do expect it to be close to what the current price tag for the Hero 9 is. So those are the latest leaks on the Hero 10, guys. What do you think? Are you satisfied with this Hero 10? Are you excited? Are you gonna be picking this up day one, or are you gonna be waiting a bit longer to get it? Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. That's everything that I have for all of you today. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.